nice experience, and it takes a lot of effort to have all these parents coming in, run all the projects, workshops, and ultimately through those tell the parents that what exactly you can expect. So that's an amazing thing. Lots of effort. Hats up to you guys.
Open house was really interactive, and it really gave us good insights about how things go at Vega.
This was more interactive, more personal to me. I could see the personal touch in all the staff, all the teachers, all the management people there. I never saw that before in any of the other schools that I visited. So to me, that was the best thing.
What I actually liked about the concept was how the team was actually kind of engaging the parents as well for all the activities. I think we met few schools also earlier, and maybe that kind of an engagement was kind of missing there. So this was a good effort from the school side to actually engage all the parents.
This is again quite unexpected. I never expected that there will be no classrooms. But now I reflect back the way we work in offices, because you don't have cubicles or small spaces anymore. You have open collaborative spaces. So I think this is a great example that how you can see what's practically happening today and how you can bring that at an early stage. So I think this is a great concept.
But I think it's a unique concept because that is how the world is today. Sitting in a globe and connecting worldwide through World Wide Web and collaborative. Collaboration is the key for today. So it is definitely a very unique and a forward concept.
I thought so. It's a more like environment. आपको बैठ के पढ़ने चाहिए, आप बैठ के पढ़ लो. You can sit down. You can do anything like you wish to. And I think child will be more comfortable in that environment.
We would definitely ask them to come and explore and see if what they want for their child and Vega's ideology matches, but it is something that's really worth it.
We will recommend them to at least go and check what the concept of the school is, and if it suits their sensibilities or what they want for their child, why not?
Absolutely, because what I experienced, I think this is a unique experience. Absolutely, I would recommend anyone if there's an opportunity for them to come and experience this, because this is a great way also, not only for the child but also for you to understand whether you're taking the right steps or not.
I think most of the young parents are kind of exploring the new schools also, and not just going with the traditional schools that have been there throughout. So it's a good thing basically.
Look, we are looking at schools right now which are exploring differential learning, experiential learning, and giving students exposure more than paper and pen. So Vega was on our list, and I would say that we are not disappointed, and we did find that the heart of the school and the educators are in the right place.
I came with an open mind. I didn't know exactly what to expect. However, I probably had thought it will be more of a normal tour and then talking about the schools and fee structure and stuff like that. But I was not preparing for what happened here. Is that all the experience that we had. The school tour was amazing. Food was good. Thank you so much for that. And I think all the people, everyone is brilliant. So I'm really leaving with a completely positive outlook about the Vega, and I think it's a great place.